go tour the Harmon by Richmond American Homes. Nowadays, this white farmhouse look with the black trim, black windows is all the rage. It's just prolific. So as you can see here, we're talking about 3-car standard builds, really large square footage. Again, the estate concept is what's going on here. So let's go inside and take a look. Here we are inside the Harmon. Let's get a look at this staircase right away. Makes a pretty dramatic entrance. This Vistas tier that Richmond is promoting here is definitely the estate concept. You see a lot of wow factors going on. Butler pantries, separated dining, foyer concepts, tray ceilings. There's a lot to like in this Harmon floor plan by Richmond. This open concept that everyone just wants today. It's all over TV and Pinterest and HGTV. Check out that covered patio with a big atrium slider. You know it's an atrium slider because it has that triple track right there. Imagine being able to sit out here and look out over all of Crystal Valley. Great concept. Directly off the kitchen is a office area. An extra pantry area as well. Down the hall from the kitchen, check out this wide planking floor. There's the owner's entry with a cute little cubby. Nice 3/4 bath. Really nice tile work. Always like Richmond's Design Center and their designer's touch. Nice big laundry room. A really sweet laundry sink. Bedroom on the main level. Converted right now, of course, to a study because of that, but easy enough to fix. Resuming our tour. Really sweet supporting bedroom up here. Jack and Jill concept. Like those light fixtures. Toilet and tub area as well. Another supporting bedroom in here. Pretty cool bathroom in here. Really nice bedroom with a great view. Big double closets right here. Then here we are in the master. Check out the beams on the ceiling, fan, two-way fireplace. Last room we were in just felt like a master itself, but it's not. Even more going on over here. Wet bar, wine cellar, perfect for the nightcap, seating area. You can have it staged, watching shows, got your Netflix and jammies going on. Pint of Ben & Jerry's into the master bathroom. This is really where real estate gets fun. There's the shower area. More of this matching cabinetry. And then heading into almost another bedroom, the closet. Custom cabinetry in here as well. All right, so we just got done walking through the Harmon built by Richmond American Homes. You know what I really liked about this home is how they checked all the boxes for luxury homes. Sometimes model homes miss out on just one or two key details, but they did it all. The butler's pantry, the extended office area behind the kitchen area. They didn't put a bathroom inside the kitchen area. They had a space for a large double refrigerator, lots of countertop space. There's a wine bar in the master bedroom. There's just so much going on in this home that it really delivers at this price point. And that's tough to say in this day and age when everything is overpriced. So if you have interest in the Harmon or perhaps some of the other floor plans that Richmond is building in Crystal Valley, please reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching this video.